Next, we're going to practice writing. Today, we're going to be writing the letters that make the sound that I say. So for this writing game, you could use a whiteboard and a dry erase marker and eraser, or you could just use any piece of paper that you have at home and a pencil or a pen, crayons, whatever you've got that you can write with. So I'm going to say a letter and the sound. You're going to write the letter that makes that sound. So for this first one, write the uppercase and lowercase letters that make the sound D. Say the sound D. Okay, show yourself how to write it. Try your best to write uppercase first and then lowercase. Okay, you ready to check? What letter is it? Right, the letter D. D says D. Make sure that your uppercase and lowercase letter D's are facing each other. Remember, for lowercase d, you can make a C, then a tall line down. Awesome. Let's try another one. This time, write the uppercase and lowercase letters that make the sound P. Say the sound P. Show yourself how to write it. And let's give it a check. It's the letter P. Nice work. One thing to remember is that lowercase p drops down, down, down out of the attic. So it has a monkey tail that drops down into the basement on our house paper. So make sure that one of your P's is pushed down farther than the other. Ooh, for this next one, you know 2 letters that make this sound. Try your best to show yourself the uppercase and lowercase for both letters. Write the letters that make the sound K. Say the sound K. Go ahead and show yourself. Okay, let's give it a check. The letters. Good. C says K. And K says K. Make sure that you drew the line between the letter C and the letters K. They make the same sound. Let's try another one. Write the uppercase and lowercase letters that make the sound. Let's try another one. Write the uppercase and lowercase letters that make the sound J. Say the sound J. Show yourself how to write it. Try your best to write uppercase first and then lowercase. Okay, let's check, double check. What letters? J. You're right. Uppercase and lowercase j make the sound J. Make sure your lowercase j is pushed down out of the attic so that it has a monkey tail and it drops into the basement when we're writing on our house paper. Good. Let's try 2 more today. Write the uppercase and lowercase letter that makes the sound mm. Say the sound mm. Show yourself how to write it. And are we ready to check? What's that letter's name? M. Nice work. Make sure your uppercase M has straight lines and your lowercase m has curves. Our last letter for today. Write the uppercase and lowercase letters that make the sound. Say the sound. Show yourself how to write the letter. And let's check and see. What letter is it? H. Nice job. One thing to double check is that your lowercase h has a nice tall line down. Remember, if it just has a short line down, it can look like the letter N or the letter R. So make sure it has a nice tall line down. Great job today, writers.